So in this mathematical problem we will discuss about energy problem. The problem is an electric motor is used to lift a body of weight 10 Newton at a height of 5 meter. It uses electrical energy of 65 joule. Problem 1. What is the energy lost by the motor? And problem 2 is find the efficiency of the motor. So to solve first problem, what is the energy used? So in this problem, if this is a body, this will lift from A point to point B, and the height is 5 meter. So from point A to point B, it uses the energy to lift the body from point A to point B is 65 joule. So the energy is force into distance or displacement. Here energy means work energy. So the energy or work is force into distance. Now the force is 10 Newton and the distance is 5 meter. The energy is 50 joule. So the 50 joule is working here, and here it uses the electrical energy of 65 joule, and this is my used energy. Used energy 50 joule. That means the lost energy is given energy minus energy used. The lost energy will be 65 minus 50 joule. Lost energy is given energy minus used energy, that is 65 joule minus 50 joule, that means 15 joule. Okay, so this is the answer of the problem 1 or question 1. And if we see the problem B, where efficiency needs to be calculated, you can see find the efficiency of the motor. So I have to write the formula of efficiency, that is eta. This symbol is called eta, equals to efficiency effective effective efficiency divided by total input energy. If we write it simply form, we can say output by input. So what is my output? My output is 50 joule and my input is 65 joule. Okay, and efficiency always expressed as percentage. So the input by output, sorry, uh, 50 by 65 into 100. So if we calculate this, then we'll get the answer, that is 80, no, it is 76.92%. 76.92%. This is the efficiency.